Welcome to voxeljet's booth on Euromold 2011. voxeljet is the leading provider for industrial 3D printers and on-demand manufacturer of sand molds and plastic pieces. This year we offer a true highlight. We are celebrating the world premiere of the VX1000. This machine allows us to close the gap between our large format printer VX4000 and the proven VX800. The VX1000 features a large build space of 1000 by 600 by 500 millimeters along with a compact design. The machine is equipped with a 600 dpi high-performance printhead with more than 10,000 nozzles that reaches a print speed of more than 36 millimeters per hour in Z direction. The VX1000 runs with our new sand mold material, which contains an inorganic binder system. This material is based on water glass and was jointly developed with Albertus. In comparison to organic products, it produces no hazardous emissions during the casting process. This is voxeljet's contribution to environmentally friendly casting processes. If you have further questions to our technology, please don't hesitate to contact us.